Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2014 Chevrolet 1500 work truck. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 4.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do got those rear tailgate steps, you got a tow hitch, got a nice black gripped running board, the nice Silverado logo, and moving to the front, we do got tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into your additional 6th seat. We do got vinyl flooring, this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, and powered door mirrors. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, a lot more storage in the front door, got your lights and four-wheel drive access with a little storage cubby just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 148,332 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings just right there, we have our tow and haul mode, plus your gear, speed adjusters, and here we have our kilometers per hour and all that fun stuff. Here we do have 3 cup holders, tons of storage. You do get storage underneath with a 12 volt and 2 USB, aux, and SD card. Your 6 additional seat. You do got your traction right here. Your lights, temperature controls just right there. Got your infotainment system, which you can just click through here to get to your favorite channels. Back and forth. You have your home with your audio settings and other settings. Got your radio, media, USB, and here we do have upper and lower storage. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC09598B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.